Hi, welcome to the class Playwright using TypeScript. In the upcoming set of video tutorials, I will be discussing about a TypeScript, Playwright, API testing using Playwright. My name is Surendra and I'm the instructor for this course. This course is intended for the individuals who wants to learn Playwright and its MCP for the AI script generation. This tool doesn't need much coding experience. By end of this course, you will have the ability to utilize a GitHub Copilot and create a web API test using Playwright. I covered each and every concept thoroughly and supported it with simple examples, which made understanding the tool much easier. Ideally, this course is suggested for QA engineers who wants to automate their web applications. There are no prerequisites for this course, but having some knowledge on any programming language would be a value add. Check out the full course curriculum to explore all the exciting topics that we will be learning together. That's all I have for the introduction session. See you again in the next lecture. Have a nice day.